Hey everyone, welcome back to the digital tutorial. For today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop others from sharing your Facebook post to their story. Do you want more control over who shares your Facebook post? Let's talk about these settings you might not know about. Anyways, by default, Facebook allows others to share your public posts to their stories. That means when you post publicly or even tag someone, they can add it to their story with your name and a link to your post. So once shared, your post appears in their story for 24 hours and they control who sees it, not you. That can be a privacy concern if you're not comfortable with it. But the good news, you can turn it off. So, shall we start and open your Facebook app? Then click the three lines in the bottom right. Then scroll all the way down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. And again, scroll down from the section of Audience and Visibility. Tap Profile and Tagging. So here, look for allow others to share your post to their stories. Then simply switch the toggle off or turn it off. So that's it. Yeah, this gives you full control of your posts and helps protect your content from being reshared without your permission. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, follow for more Facebook tips, and share it with someone who needs to know this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.